Hello guys, so sketch number 4 of the morning. Again, faces of ballerinas, and these are females. So all good speed. 1 and 2 actually took 4 minutes. I'm not entirely sure why. I think I needed a break for some reason, or I just wasn't getting the actual overall shape, so I was kind of maybe struggling just a wee bit. So number 1 and number 2, as I said, took 4 minutes. Number 3 took 3 minutes. So it was a good start, even though it did take me the full 4 minutes. It's still a good start. Number 2, I didn't actually finish when the buzzer went off, and number 3 is the closest to the actual original reference photo. That's what, when I say things take good speed and say 3-4 minutes, I actually set a timer on my phone when I'm creating these sketches so that I can keep myself accountable and actually not go over the time. Sorry if I'm talking really fast. I am going to get back and sketch some more, so I'm just trying to get this down so I can actually still remember it. 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are geometric and observational. The head shape. So number 1, I actually drew the head shape first, and then I popped the features in, utilising like cross references. Number 2 was the same methods, except I actually done the eyes and the nose first, so that's why there's a slight difference. But in utilising different methods and seeing what can work, it might work in one sketch in one topic, but it might not work or work as well in a different topic. That's what I'm finding as I am creating these different sketches. It might work for, as I say, for this, but it might not work for a body. So see what works for you and how you can actually get the results that you want, or close to the results that you want. So yeah, thanks so much for the subscribers, and thank you so much for staying tuned to my channel. Thanks guys, bye.